Installing the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller is easy. After watching this video, you'll be up and running in about 15 minutes. Make sure you have Wi-Fi where you want to install the controller. Then gather up all the necessary tools. In the box, you'll find the smart controller, instructions, screws with drywall anchors, and the power adapter. Note that the controller is not weatherproof, so if you want to install it outdoors, you'll need a weather-resistant enclosure. You can pick one up at Rachio.com. Test all the sprinkler zones before taking down your old controller. It's a good idea to know any zones that may need repairs before proceeding. Unplug the old controller and take a look at the wiring. Take a picture so you can attach the wires to the correct zones in the Rachio 3. Now unhook everything and remove the old controller. There's a template for the screw positions on the last page of the installation guide. Make sure the wires can reach the drill icon, and verify the bottom holes are level. Mark the center of each hole on the wall, then install the drywall anchors. Drill a hole for each anchor and gently tap them into place. Remove the magnetic faceplate to reveal the 3 mounting holes and the terminal block. Hang the controller. Then use the reference photo you took earlier to attach each zone wire to the appropriate terminal. Simply lift the lever and insert the wire. M is the master pump if you have one, and may have been labeled P on your old controller. The C terminals are all the same, you can use any of them. You're ready to power up. The light bar will flash. When you see the amber light, launch the Rachio app and connect the controller to your Wi-Fi network. Visit the app setup video to learn more about this process. A blue pulse across the whole bar means your Rachio 3 is online and ready for use. Now you can use the Rachio app to customize your zones, optimize your watering schedule, and so much more. If you need any help, simply tap the question mark in the app. Visit Rachio.com/support for tips, tricks, and techniques for making the most of your Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller.
Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now is removing the old Hunter unit. So one of the things that you should do is take a picture of this so that you can know what station, where the green goes. So green would be station 1 or zone 1, blue 2, you know, like that. So it's good to take a picture of that. So let me go ahead and just quickly remove this. This is actually the power, so I'll just remove that. All right.
You don't.
Alright, so now, very simply, what we're going to do is install right in the same holes there. Full disclosure, I used to have the Generation 2. I removed the Generation 2 because the Generation 3 came out, so I bought it around the time when the 3 just came out, about a week after I bought the Generation 2, so I still have the holes here. Alright, simple enough. Alright, so what we're going to do now, alright, so the power cord is actually, the power is actually up here, but I'm going to do that last. So, alright, so this C goes in here, zone 1 goes in there. Make sure you push it all the way in so it's in there good. Zone 2, right in there. Zone 3. Four and 5. So I just put a little pull just to make sure they don't come out. And here is the power in, right in here. And just power this up. And there it is, it's on. And I'll just simply just pop that in there. But before you do that, in order to install it via the app, you have to scan this. So all I wanted to show today was how quickly it is to install the Rachio machine. Very simply. It took me about, what, 5 minutes to remove and install this?
It actually took.
And what I'll do next is I'll go download the Rachio app on the App Store, and then scan this, and then everything else should be self-explanatory. So there you have it. Installation took about maybe 5 minutes, if that, and it looks like it's ready to be installed. So thank you for watching.